Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapters for 2026, so you can ditch the cable and enjoy a truly seamless wireless experience in your ride. Stick around till number 1, it's a game changer. If you're tired of dealing with messy cables or your car doesn't have built-in wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, these adapters will transform your daily drive. Plug them in once, sync your phone, and boom. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto every time you hop in. Kicking off at number 5, this wireless CarPlay adapter upgrade. Upgrade your drive instantly with the Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2026 Upgraded Edition, the simple, smart way to convert your factory wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto system into a seamless wireless experience. Imagine stepping into your car, starting the engine, and watching your phone connect automatically. No cables, no clutter, no waiting. This upgraded wireless adapter transforms your existing wired setup into a fully wireless system in seconds. Just plug it into your car's USB port, pair your phone once, and you're done. From that moment on, your CarPlay or Android Auto launches automatically every time you get in. Designed with a compact mini USB body, this adapter blends neatly into your dashboard without creating mess or taking up space. The included Type-C extension cable adds flexibility for different vehicle layouts, ensuring a clean and convenient installation no matter your car model. Performance is where this 2026 upgrade truly shines. Engineered for a stable, high-speed connection, it delivers smooth navigation, crystal-clear calls, and uninterrupted music streaming. There's no annoying lag when switching apps, answering calls, or using voice assistants. Whether you're navigating with maps, streaming playlists, or replying to messages hands-free, everything feels instant and responsive. Compatibility is broad and reliable. If your vehicle already supports wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this adapter is built to work with it. No complicated setup, no technical skills required. It's a true plug-and-play solution made for daily drivers, commuters, and road trip lovers alike. Say goodbye to tangled cables and worn-out charging cords. Enjoy a cleaner dashboard, effortless connectivity, and a smarter driving experience every time you hit the road. Coming in at number 4 is this 2-in-1 wireless adapter. It effortlessly switches between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on your device. Transform your daily drive with the Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2025 Upgraded 2-in-1 Mini Edition, the smarter way to turn your factory wired system into a seamless wireless experience for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If your car already supports wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this compact adapter instantly upgrades it to wireless. Simply plug it into your vehicle's USB or Type-C port, complete a quick one-time pairing, and you're ready to go. From then on, your phone connects automatically every time you start the engine. No cables, no clutter, no hassle. Designed with a sleek mini-size body, this adapter stays discreet and out of the way. It won't crowd your dashboard or create messy wiring. Whether your car has a standard USB or a Type-C port, the 2-in-1 design ensures flexible compatibility, making installation effortless across a wide range of vehicles. Performance is where this 2025 upgrade truly stands out. Engineered for a stable connection with no noticeable delay, it delivers smooth navigation, fast app switching, and crystal-clear audio for calls and music. Use your favorite apps like Maps, Spotify, Apple Music, or Google Assistant without worrying about lag or dropped connections. Voice commands respond quickly, keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. The adapter works seamlessly with both iPhone and Android devices, making it ideal for households with mixed smartphones. Switching between devices is simple and automatic, ensuring convenience for every driver. Built for reliability and everyday use, this plug-and-play solution requires no complicated setup or technical knowledge. It's perfect for commuters, families, and road trip enthusiasts who want a cleaner, more modern driving experience without replacing their car's head unit. Number 3. This compact wireless adapter supports both iPhone and Android phones, making it perfect for mixed households. Upgrade your driving experience with this 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, designed to bring instant wireless freedom to vehicles that already support wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Tired of plugging in your phone every time you get in the car? This compact wireless dongle eliminates the cable completely. Simply plug the adapter into your vehicle's USB port, complete a quick one-time pairing, and from then on your phone connects automatically whenever you start the engine. No extra apps, no complicated setup, just true plug-and-play convenience. Built for both ecosystems, this adapter works seamlessly with iPhone, iOS 10 and above, and Android devices, Android 11 and above. Whether you use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll enjoy full access to your favorite apps, including navigation, music streaming, calls, and voice assistants, all displayed clearly on your car screen. Performance is smooth and reliable. The advanced wireless chipset ensures a stable connection with minimal latency, so maps update in real time, music plays without interruption, and voice commands respond quickly. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, you'll experience consistent, dependable performance. The compact design keeps your dashboard clean and clutter-free. It blends discreetly into your vehicle's interior without blocking controls or taking up space. Its durable build ensures long-term reliability for everyday driving, commuting, and road trips. Switching between devices is simple, making it perfect for families or shared vehicles. Once paired, the adapter remembers your phone and reconnects automatically, saving you time and effort every day. At number 2 is this USB 2-in-1 wireless adapter, outstanding performance with super fast connections. Upgrade your factory infotainment system in seconds with a wireless CarPlay adapter and Android Auto wireless adapter, Pearl Grey Edition, a sleek 2-in-1 solution that converts your OEM wired setup into a smooth, cable-free experience. If your vehicle already supports wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this compact adapter instantly makes it wireless. Simply plug it into your car's USB port, pair your phone once via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you're done. From that point forward, your device connects automatically every time you start the engine. No more plugging and unplugging cables. Designed specifically for OEM wired cars, this adapter maintains full functionality of your original system. You can use navigation apps, stream music, make hands-free calls, send messages, and access voice assistants, just like before. Only now, everything works wirelessly. This stable connection technology ensures smooth performance with minimal delay, so maps load quickly, audio stays clear, and controls respond instantly. The elegant pearl gray finish gives the adapter a modern, refined look that blends seamlessly with your dashboard. Its compact size keeps your interior clean and clutter-free without blocking other ports or controls. Engineered for reliability, this 2-in-1 adapter supports both iPhone and Android devices, making it ideal for shared vehicles or households with different smartphones. It automatically reconnects to your last pair device, saving time and simplifying your daily routine. No complicated installations, no technical expertise required. Just plug it in and enjoy wireless freedom from the moment you turn the key. If you want to modernize your drive without replacing your head unit, this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter delivers the perfect balance of convenience, performance, and style, transforming your wired system into a smarter, cleaner, and more connected driving experience. And the best of 2026 goes to the Rexing CPW 42 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Upgrade your factory infotainment system instantly with the 2025 upgraded 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, the simple way to convert your wired setup into a seamless wireless experience. If your vehicle already supports wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this compact mini adapter transforms it into wireless in minutes. Just plug it into your car's USB or Type-C port, complete a quick one-time pairing, and from then on your phone connects automatically every time you start the engine. No more reaching for cables. No more clutter on your console. Just smooth, automatic connectivity. Designed with a mini-sized body, this adapter blends discreetly into your dashboard without taking up space. The dual USB and Type-C compatibility ensures flexible installation across a wide range of vehicles, making it an easy upgrade for most OEM wired systems. Performance is where this 2025 upgrade truly stands out. Built with enhanced wireless technology, It delivers a stable connection with virtually no delay. Navigation loads instantly, calls remain crystal clear, music streams without interruption, and voice assistants respond quickly. Whether you're using maps for real-time directions, streaming playlists, or sending hands-free messages, everything feels fast and responsive. The two-in-one design supports both iPhone and Android devices, making it perfect for shared cars or households with different smartphones. Switching between devices is effortless, and the adapter remembers previously paired phones for automatic reconnection. There's no complicated setup, no software installation, and no technical skills required. It's true plug-and-play convenience built for everyday drivers who want a smarter, cleaner, and more modern driving experience without replacing their car's head unit. Cut the cord, simplify your dashboard, and enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity every time you drive. With the 2025 upgraded 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, convenience and performance come standard. Alright guys, if you're ready to finally cut the cord and upgrade your ride with wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, hit those links below. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the for more tech gear reviews every week. Catch you next time.